Authorities confirm 11 children have died in Chhindwara after consuming cold reef syrup. 1.5-year-old Yogita Thackeray passed away while receiving treatment in Nagpur. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav expressed grief on social media, calling the death tragic. The state government has banned cold reef syrup and imposed restriction on other products from the same company. Health officials are monitoring remaining stocks and warning parents to avoid unverified medicines. Investigation into the manufacturer are ongoing. Hospitals are on high alert for children showing kidney-related symptoms. Families of victims demanded strict oversight to prevent further tragedies. Trisha Tavre of Eklavya Women's Institute Training Institute Betul achieved first place nationally in the electrician trade under the Central Zone merit list. Prime Minister Narendra Modi personally honored her achievement. Trisha's dedication highlights growing opportunities for women in technical education. Teachers and peers praised her discipline and skills, saying her success inspires girls across Madhya Pradesh to pursue industrial and technical careers. State officials say Trisha's accomplishment demonstrate the value of hands-on vocational training. The recognition is expected to encourage ITI Institute to improve program while families celebrated her hard work and national acclaim. A massive birthday procession for Prabal Pratap Singh Tomar, son of MP Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar, created chaos on Morena roads, covering 50 kilometers. The event trapped two ambulances, including one carrying a newborn with a heart defect, for hours. Local expressed outrage, questioning political privilege and public safety. Police faced criticism for failing to control traffic, and authorities promised review of procession permissions. The event sparked debate on prioritizing emergency services over celebrations. Citizens demand a stricter rule for political and private processions. Hospital staff said delay could have cost life, highlighting the risk of such large-scale events. Congress leader Sajjan Singh Verma targeted BJP Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya, labeling him Ravan of politics and accusing him of massive corruption. Verma cited ongoing ED raids, claiming more names would emerge. He challenged Vijayvargiya to file defamation, escalating tension in Madhya Pradesh politics. Party supporters rallied behind Verma, emphasizing alleged misuse of public funds. BJP leader dismissed remarks, calling them politically motivated. Analysts say comments could impact upcoming election, further polarizing political discourse. Local media covered the confrontation extensively, highlighting the growing public debate. Both parties continue trading accusations, signaling an intensifying rivalry at district and state levels. Supporters of BJP and Congress clashed late at night in Jabalpur with reports of gunfire. Police, including SP and reinforcement from 4 stations, intervened to control the crowd. The fight involved Congress MLA Lakhan Ghangoria and former Minister Achal Sonkar's supporters. Tension spread across the city, raising security concerns. Residents reported damage to vehicle and property. Authorities are investigating the incident and reviewing preventing measures for political gatherings. The local administration called for calm, urging citizens to avoid confrontation. Political analysts say such clashes reflect rising party rivalry and public frustration over governance issues in the district. In Mauganj, a 24-year-old man was humiliated after refusing to pay Rs 1,200 for liquor. 4 men stripped and paraded him through Corn village. 3 suspects have been arrested. 1 remains at large. The victim fled to Prayagraj due to fear and shame. Police confirmed the incident, saying investigations are ongoing. Locals expressed shock at the brutality and questioned law enforcement ability to prevent such crimes. Social media footage circulated widely, igniting debate about public safety and intimidation. Authorities urge community members to report extortion or harassment. The case highlights challenges in rural policing and accountability. Sagun Sharma, BJP Bilkhiria Mandal General Secretary, was attacked in Sindhnagar colony while visiting a temple. Video shows Sharma dragged and slapped by a Gujjar family. Sharma alleged confrontation began over phone conversation. Police registered a case and started investigations. BJP leaders condemned the attack, calling it politically motivated. Residents expressed concern over rising local tensions. Officials assured fair probe and public safety measures. The incident has sparked outrage among party workers and raised questions about security for political figures. Community leaders urged calm and stressed non-violent resolution while authorities track suspect. Tejgul Pal Singh Pali resigned as president of Bhopal Chamber of Commerce and Industries after serving nearly 4 years. In a letter to General Secretary Aditya Jain, he said his responsibilities were fulfilled. Resignation comes ahead of chamber elections scheduled between December 15 and January 15. Members expressed surprise citing Pali's active role in chamber initiatives. Interim management will review plans for leadership transition. Business owners call for smooth election proceedings. Analysts say new leadership could bring changes to policies affecting city, trade and industry. Chamber official will announce next step and candidate soon. Heavy rainfall in Ujjain raised Shipra River submerging Ramghat. 6 devotees from Uttar Pradesh visiting for Mahakal Darshan were trapped and bathing. SDRF, Home Guard and local swimmers conducted a swift rescue. Authorities advised pilgrims to avoid river bathing during floods. The incident was recorded on video and went viral. Local administration emphasized safety measures and crowd management during festive season. Devotees thanked rescuers, highlighting risk during sudden water surges. Officials warned that further rain could affect water levels. Pilgrims were urged to prioritize safety while visiting rivers during religious events.